The Poolease X1 Robotic Pool Vacuum stands out with its advanced 4-axis gyroscope technology and 8 precision sensors, ensuring comprehensive cleaning coverage of your pool. Equipped with a robust dual-motor system, this vacuum cleaner extends its lifespan by 50% compared to single-motor models, while efficiently collecting debris like sand and leaves. With its large 2-liter debris capacity, the Poolease X1 can handle more dirt and debris, reducing the frequency of emptying the container during cleaning sessions. Safety is a top priority with the Poolease X1, featuring 9-dimensional safety protections and industry-leading waterproofing standards to ensure long-lasting and secure operation. Operating the Poolease X1 is incredibly simple. Just press a button to start the cleaning process, and it will automatically dock at the poolside upon completion. This versatile cleaner is perfect for both above-ground and in-ground pools with flat bottoms, covering an impressive 538 square feet in a single hour-long cycle.